Class 10. Subject Science, Chemistry. Chapter 1. Chemical Reactions and Equations. Topics to be learned in this video: Types of chemical reactions. In this we study combination reaction and decomposition reaction. Types of chemical reactions. In a chemical reaction, atoms of one element do not change into those of another element. Nor do atoms disappear from the mixture or appear from elsewhere. Actually, chemical reactions involve the breaking and making of bonds between atoms to produce new substances. There are 5 different types of chemical reactions. Combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, and oxidation and reduction reaction. Combination reaction. Calcium oxide, quicklime, reacts vigorously with water to produce slaked lime, calcium hydroxide, releasing a large amount of heat. In this reaction, calcium oxide and water combine to form a single product, calcium hydroxide, and heat is released. In simple language, we can say that when 2 or more substances, elements or compounds, combine to form a single product, the reactions are called combination reactions. From the above example, we also observed that a large amount of heat is evolved. This makes the reaction mixture warm. The reactions in which heat is released along with the formation of products are called exothermic chemical reactions. Other examples of exothermic reactions are burning of natural gas. Methane react with oxygen to form carbon dioxide and steam. CH4 plus 2O2 gives CO2 plus 2H2O. Respiration is an exothermic reaction. In this reaction, glucose combines with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide, water, and releases energy. The decomposition of vegetable matter into compost is also an example of exothermic reaction. Decomposition reaction. A reaction in which a single reactant breaks down to give 2 or more simpler products are called decomposition reaction. For example, when ferrous sulfate crystals lose water when heated and the color of the crystals changes. It then decomposes to ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide, and sulfur trioxide. Ferric oxide is a solid, while sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide are gases. The decomposition reactions require energy either in the form of heat, light, or electricity for breaking down the reactants. When a decomposition reaction is carried out by heating, it is called thermal decomposition. For example, the decomposition of calcium carbonate to calcium oxide and carbon dioxide on heating is an important decomposition reaction used in various industries. Calcium oxide is called lime or quicklime. It has many uses. One is in the manufacture of cement. The reaction in which decomposition occurs by applying electricity is known as electric decomposition. For example, electrolysis of water is decomposition reaction. The reaction in which decomposition occurs in the presence of sunlight is called photodecomposition. For example, a white silver chloride turns grey in sunlight. This is due to the decomposition of silver chloride into silver and chlorine by light. Reactions in which energy is absorbed are known as endothermic reactions. When barium hydroxide reacts with ammonium chloride, it produces barium chloride and ammonium hydroxide. It is an endothermic reaction because it absorbs heat from environment. So the solution becomes cool. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.